Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Get ready for the dictation. General passage on sports. Speed 100 words per minute. Dictation exercise number 3. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Football in India has experienced a significant transformation in recent years. While cricket has long dominated the Indian sporting landscape, football is gradually gaining traction among fans, players, and investors. The rise of domestic leagues, improved infrastructure, and increased international exposure have contributed to the sport's growing popularity in the country. One of the biggest contributors to football's growth in India is the Indian Super League, ISL. Launched in 2014, the ISL has provided a much-needed professional structure to Indian football. The league has attracted global football icons such as Alessandro Del Piero, Roberto Carlos, and Diego Forlan in its early years, which helped generate interest among Indian audiences. The ISL runs alongside the traditional I-League, which has been the country's primary club competition for decades. However, with the ISL gaining more popularity and financial backing, it has emerged as the premier football league in India. Indian football is also benefiting from grassroots development programs. The All India Football Federation, AIFF, along with FIFA and private organizations, has been working to nurture young talent. Programs like the FIFA U17 World Cup, hosted by India in 2017, and the upcoming FIFA U17 Women's World Cup have given Indian players invaluable exposure. Academies such as the Tata Football Academy, Reliance Foundation Young Champs, and Bengaluru FC's youth setup have been instrumental in grooming young talent. On the international stage, the Indian national football team has shown signs of progress. Led by Sunil Chhetri, one of the most prolific scorers in international football, India has improved its FIFA rankings in recent years. However, the team still struggles to compete with top Asian nations like Japan, South Korea, and Iran. The Blue Tigers have had mixed performances in tournaments such as the AFC Asian Cup and the SAFF Championship, but there is a growing belief that Indian football is heading in the right direction. The popularity of football in India is also being driven by European club football, particularly the English Premier League, EPL, and UEFA Champions League. With widespread television and digital coverage, millions of Indian fans follow clubs like Manchester United, Barcelona, and Real Madrid. The fan culture has grown significantly, with dedicated supporter groups and football screenings becoming common in major cities. Another major factor in the sport's growth is the increasing investment in football infrastructure. Several stadiums have been renovated to meet international standards, and new training facilities are being developed across the country. Clubs are also focusing on strengthening their academies, ensuring that young Indian players get better training from an early age. Despite these positive developments, football in India still faces several challenges. The sport lacks a strong domestic club structure, and many talented players struggle due to inadequate facilities at the grassroots level. Additionally, cricket's dominance makes it difficult for football to attract the same level of sponsorship and media attention. However, with continuous efforts from the AIFF, ISL, and private stakeholders, football in India has a promising future. If the current momentum continues, India may soon become a competitive force in Asian football and, eventually, on the world stage. Stop. Thank you and keep learning.